Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's have a look at your love life. So this is you and your person reading, so I'll be dealing with the energies of you and your person, and it's a little different this time, so I'll be doing an extended to this reading, the link of which is given in the description box below, so you can join me there on Patreon after clicking that link. And yes, if you are amongst the first 10 subscribers or people who join me on Patreon, then you will have a chance of getting a free personal reading of one question. You can ask me anything and you'll get a totally free reading. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what's going on in your life, Virgos. Death and Eight of Pentacles has flipped out. I don't know what you are dealing with. Maybe it has some significance for you. Maybe some major change is coming in, or you are dealing with some huge transition and you're working hard to rebuild your life in some way, shape, or form. And just shuffle the cards and pull out the cards for you. So, Virgos, let's see what are your energies. What's your energy, Virgos? So, okay, yes, Ace of Wands. With your feelings for this person, your current feelings for this person. The Eight of Pentacles, okay, this one wanted to come out. That was the Two of Cups. It didn't, so I'm not including that. Okay, so let's see. Flipping up this Page of Cups. Lot of emotions overpowering you, I guess. So best course of action according to you right now. What will you be doing? What do you think of doing? What do you plan to do? Best course of action is the Four of Pentacles, okay. So let's see, what are the energies of the person you are dealing with? The King of Swords, okay. Their current feelings for you. What are their current feelings for you, Virgos? So their current feelings, why two cards are flipping out here? What are their current feelings for you, Virgos? The Ten of Pentacles, okay. What do they plan to do, or what is the best course of action according to them right now? The Queen of Wands, so that is the best course of action according to them. The most likely outcome for this relationship. The most likely outcome is the Four of Swords, okay. That's what I was expecting here. So Virgos, you have the Ace of Wands here. So definitely this is your energy. You are ready for a new beginning. You feel that you really have a lot of passion for this person. You really want to have a new beginning with this person. Okay, you uh, perceive them as, it's like you see that this is a person whom you really feel passionate about. You really have a new beginning with them. You want a commitment with them. You really want this relationship to flourish actually. Okay, this is your energy. This is what you are vibing at. Your current feelings for them is the Eight of Pentacles. You are working hard on this relationship. You are really investing in this relationship, totally focused on it. You want to build up this relationship since it is a new beginning, and you have the hope of it flourishing, and that is what you want also. So you are really investing in it. You are really putting in the effort so that it gives you the results you want. Okay, as far as your best course of action is concerned, this is what you want. You are doing it also. But with the Four of Pentacles, as far as your emotions are concerned, you are not opening up. You are not opening up completely to this person. You are holding something. Okay, so definitely you are not all in for this relationship. At least you're not telling them the entire thing. You're not opening up completely. You are definitely holding on certain things to yourself. Okay, though you want to work hard in this relationship and you are doing it also, but you're not opening up as far as your emotions are concerned. That's what I feel. As far as your person is concerned, we have the King of Swords. So for the King of Swords, we have this is like this person is being guarded. defensive, maybe very blunt in talking and very straightforward. Whatever they have to say, they just say. But they are definitely guarded and defensive for some reason at this point in time. Maybe they are very authoritative, can be that. We have the queen also, so maybe this person is in a position of power, maybe this person is dominating, maybe they have those leadership qualities and all, maybe they want to have their way, bossy, maybe. Okay, so we'll explore the energies definitely on Patreon, what that is exactly. Their current feelings is the Ten of Pentacles. That's beautiful. So both of you are ready to invest in this relationship. They also want a commitment. They want stability with you. They are seeing this relationship as definitely a long term and a stable commitment. They really want to have a family with you. So if you are investing in this relationship, definitely I think it is mutual, and they also have the similar plans. I think you are doing the right thing. Their best course of action right now is the Queen of Wands. I think this person is not making a move right now. You are also closed off, and they are also perhaps observing things as to how they go. They are it's like this person is very knowledgeable. They know how to make things proceed. They know how to go about with the things, and that is, they have the power. They're keeping the power of the relationship in their hands somehow. That's what I'm getting. They are keeping an upper hand, you can say that, of the relationship. They know that they have the driving key, something like that I'm getting. And as far as the most likely outcome is concerned, we have the Four of Swords. So it is definitely a pause. They are also not speaking anything, you're also not doing anything. So both of you, maybe if you are investing actually in the relationship, but maybe as far as that emotional aspect is concerned and stepping forward of the relationship is concerned, maybe since perhaps you are meeting, it's a new beginning, so both of you are taking it slow. That's what. So you're giving it the time, you're giving this relationship the time as to let's see where it proceeds. That's what I'm getting. So right now I think both of you are just investing in it, putting in the efforts and working for the building up of the relationship. Okay, that is what you're building up, the stability and the foundation of that relationship, and just leaving it to time as to let's see how it proceeds, let's see how it goes, and let time take its course. It's something like that. So we'll dig deeper and have the clarity as to what exactly how it unfolds, and for that you can click at the link in the description box below and join me on Patreons. And if you just wish to be till here on YouTube, then thanks for being here and hope it helps. Bye.